Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a reaction of these sirens. So, we're going to do siren and alarm sound 1. Oh, this is like the purge one. This one? Police alarm? Don't think. This one is the fire alarm. Don't know that one. Burglar alarm? Wait! I know this one. This one's a tornado siren and a nuclear siren. I picked one. Yeah, I like that one. Practically don't know that one. That looks like a burglar alarm 2. Burglar alarm 3. Sorry guys, I don't know how to say burglar something. When was this siren? This was like in the 2010s? Or was this like in the 2002? Don't know that one. Yeah, that one is like fire alarm. We're gonna put it on non-stop mode. Let's put it on repeat mode. I would rather do siren and alarm sound 6. Yeah, this one's my favorite. This is going to go off for 3 times. Alright guys, that's going to end off there. So, bye guys.